Like when you come from the underground, like me, like Griselda do,
Right.
and then you even get near that line when you thinking about crossing over.
Right.
The fans gonna bury you over
Absolutely,
that shit.
yeah.
They don't like that shit.
But Wu-Tang crossed over without crossing over.
No, listen, no, real shit though, and that's possible.
It's
but
possible.
the thing about it is, when you come from the industry and get on some underground shit, it's regular. But in my opinion, all the people you consider top rappers who available for the throne currently or whatever, always did both.
Yep, you're right.
You feel what I'm saying? So the same people who sit and complain about the shit, they gonna listen to it too. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
The top guys always did both. You know what I'm saying? Real shit.
Yeah, no. I'll make some noise for that.
But don't go into the booth making a commercial record.
Nah, I'm not going in there, you know what I'm saying, doing no shit with the Island Boys and no crazy shit like that. On some independent shit, how the independent hustle come from. I don't
And
know.
selling out the shows, obviously.
Cause the independent fans, the underground hip hop fans, you know how they go. They die hard.
They die hard, and they'll buy everything you got to sell to them.
And their opinion matter.
Absolutely.
That group of people, opinion matters. So they come out the shows, they spend money, they like doing that.
That's
shit.
your foundation.
Exactly.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And
The dudes with the dirty sneakers.
yeah. And you know we
And imagine what but think of what he's saying.
What he's saying is
Dudes
like-
with the dirty sneakers that are buying the ticket though and buying the merch, they obviously not spending it on the sneakers.
Yeah, and I don't got no plaque or no nothing. Yeah, I'm working.
Right.
That's what I want too. I'm getting me a plaque soon. I'm selling out the venues and plaques
Right.
type of shit. That's what I'm saying.
That's fine.